The new member of the ABB Drives family, built to let you go beyond the limits in food and beverage applications. The new ACS580 IP66 Type 4X enclosure enables you to use your ABB drive in washdown and splash zones, corrosive or filthy environments, and in extreme weather conditions. Eliminate the need for an electrical room by installing the drive near your application. Don't compromise your design, connectivity or space. Install the drive easily and cost-effectively in your food production's washdown and splash zones. Greenhouses often have high humidity. The new rugged enclosure won't let these tough conditions stop you from running your business efficiently. Livestock shed environments are known to be challenging, but thanks to its resistance to ammonia and cleaning agents, ABB's drive will be your reliable partner in these challenging applications. Experience uninterrupted performance in extreme conditions.